There's a room where experts gather with their charts and double speak. They preach from velvet armchairs to the ones who dare not speak. Truth is fragile by design here, so they guard it like a yard. Say we don't debate with feelings, then they file your name and card. Every claim's behind a paywall, every voice gets screened for flaws. I just asked who gets to question, and they just tightened all the laws. You call it a conversation, but the outcome's set in stone. Only chosen voices echo from the pulpit to the throne. You can clap when they allow it, you can parrot back the crowd, but there's no comments allowed. Whoa, no comments allowed.
I see warnings dressed as wisdom. I see graphs without the ground. They erase the ones who live it when their data won't play sound. My grandmother knew the seasons. She could feel the soil's reply. Now the models drown her memory, and the margins all go dry. They don't see what won't be measured, they don't hear what won't be loud, and they label doubt as heresy just to silence any crowd. You call it a conversation, but it's guarded at the gate. Say a word they haven't printed, you're dismissed before debate. You can cite their sacred papers, you can wear your reason proud, but there's no comments allowed. Oh, no comments allowed. They declare the planet burning from a villa by the sea. They claim the science settled by a specific decree. They say the time for talk has ended, that the data holds the floor. But if the evidence is iron, why are you bolting every door? You call it a conversation, but it's broadcast, not a call. You decide who gets a platform, who gets silenced, who gets small. We can't kneel to empty panels built on power, masters proud, when there's no comments allowed. No comments allowed. So I'll sing it from the fences where the questions still survive. If your truth can't face a challenge, then it was never truly alive. It's a conversation without you, a conversation without